Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to add your Instagram on TikTok. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First, open TikTok and tap on Edit Profile. Here you can see Add Instagram. Click on this Add Instagram. Instagram will open in front of you guys, so you have to wait a bit. Now here you have to add your Instagram login. That means you have to add password and username here. So here I quickly add. After entering the username and password, click on Login. Here you can see our Instagram has been added to our TikTok bio. You have to allow all TikTok permissions from here. Whoever is asking you for TikTok. Here you can see that the option of Instagram has arrived. In this way you can add Instagram to your TikTok bio.